Videos are a great way of generating learning material for a lesson. So for example, they're great as material for a discussion or for brainstorming ideas or for simply getting students to focus on a particular topic. And I'm going to show you Canva today because in Canva for free, very quickly, you can produce high quality videos that you can use in your teaching and learning. Let's get started. So I'm logged into Canva and I'm using the free account. I'm going to click here on video and then I'm going to click again on video. Now, you can make videos on almost any topic. The important thing to remember is that you have over here a great search button. Now I want you to click on elements. And then we're going to do a video about pollution. So I'm going to write in pollution here, press enter. And you'll notice that I get some graphics, some photos, some videos, and even some audio. And we can use a lot of this content to build up our video. So for example, I'm going to click on photos and click on see all. And I'm going to bring in some of the free pictures that I can use. This looks a good one. And then I'm also going to bring in this one here. Now I'm also going to bring in some video. So I'm going to click on video. And I get quite a lot of videos that I can't use because you need to pay. But these ones are all free. So for example, this one is free. This one here is free. And I'm going to drag this video onto the screen. Now this video or this part is 13 seconds long. So I don't want it to be so long. I'm just going to move it to about here. I'll click on it. In fact, I can just click on that bit of video. And then up here, I'm just going to trim that video and make it a little bit shorter by just dragging this here. And we'll do about 4 seconds with that video. Click on done. So now I've got myself a picture and then another picture and then a 4-second video. I'm going to bring in some more video. I'll drag in this one here. It's also free. I'll drag that onto the screen. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on trim and I'm going to make that video a bit shorter because it's too long. I'll just put it down to, again, about 4 seconds. Now I've already got a quite interesting video with a variety of different pictures. I'm going to add 1 or 2 more. So I'm going to come down here and again I've got more pictures that I can use and I'm going to use this one here of the boy with the mask on. I'm going to drag that onto the screen. I'll do the same thing again. I'm going to click on trim and I'm going to reduce that down to about 3 seconds. I'm going to click on done. My video is finished. The only thing I need to do now is to add some text. So I'm going to click over here on text and I'm going to add a heading. And to do that, I'm going to click on this one here and just drag it onto the screen. And then I'm going to write the question, what can we do? Question mark. And I'm going to place that over here on this side of the screen. Now I'm going to move back to the video and I'm going to start from the beginning and add some more text. Again, I'm going to add a heading and this time I'm going to write pollution is getting worse every day. I'm going to place that onto the screen. I can, if I want, just select that text and then change the color, for example, to white. And I can build up now by moving to the next part of the video. And I'm going to put here, for example, industrial pollution. And I'm going to move that to the top of the screen. And I'm going to move to the next one here. And then I'm going to write the word waste. I'm going to place it on the screen here. I'm going to write waste. Now remember, I can also make this text bigger by just clicking on these buttons here. Now suddenly we have got a much more dynamic video which we've just taken a few minutes to produce. Let me play it to you. It starts with this, and then we're going to move to another picture. And then we're going to move to another picture with some video. And we can carry on building the video up. Now, once it's ready, we can click on share, and we can click on download, and we can save this as an MP4 video. Remember, I'm using the free tool. So I'm going to click on download, and we have to wait now while that video is created. So if I click on the downloads, there is that video. I can click on it, and I can now use that in the class with my students. You can even add audio if you wanted to. But you get the idea that you can produce these videos, which can be great for generating discussions, brainstorming, etc. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.